The construction of Miami Freedom Park continues to accelerate as we enter November, revealing major progress across the entire site. The Stadium Bowl is taking shape with the seating structure now nearly complete, while crews work tirelessly to assemble the intricate tension cable roof system that will define the venue's modern silhouette. Heavy machinery, cranes, and lift teams operate in perfect coordination as massive steel members are positioned, secured, and aligned with millimeter-level precision. At the stadium's exterior, the facade framework is rising, with large sections of weatherproof green sheathing now installed. Built for Miami and shaped by its community, Miami Freedom Park brings a 131-acre vision to life through bold design, world-class amenities, and the future home of Inter Miami CF.